Hi everyone, I'm really excited to show you how to run any large language model as a chatbot. Let's get started. I have already covered this program in the previous video in regards to create a chatbot using ChatGPT API. I will link that in the description below. So it's just a few lines of code. Import OpenAI, then create a chatbot function. The chatbot function will get the prompt and return the response. In the main function, you're asking the user to add an input. If the input is quit, exit or buy, then it should break. That means exit the chatbot, or else print the response from the chatbot. Now from here, how we can change this to a large language model? We are going to use text generation web UI. I have already covered how to set text generation web UI in my previous video. I will link that also in the description below. Now we are going to go to the folder where we created the text generation web UI and bash start macOS.sh and click enter. This should automatically start the text generation web UI, and you can see the IP address here. Now I am in the text generation web UI interface. Here I am loading the Mistral 7 billion parameter model. Load. Here you can see successfully loaded Mistral 7 billion. Next you click the save settings. This should automatically save the settings. Then go to the session tab at the top. Click that. Then go to the available extensions section and click API, OpenAI, again API, and listen. That's it. This will automatically allow OpenAI endpoint to be used in our application. Apply and save. This will reload. Now it got reloaded. Now let's go to the terminal. In the terminal, you can see the OpenAI API base as this port and the URL. I'm going to copy just the URL. Right click and copy. Now in the code, type OpenAI.api base and then equals, enter that URL. That's it. Now we are going to run this. You keep the other terminal running. Now navigate to the chatbot folder, type Python App.py and click enter. Now the chatbot got initiated. What is your base AI model? You can look on the right hand side, it'll get automatically generated. My base AI model is transformer based AI. You saw in the right hand side, the web generation text UI got updated. So whenever you type something here on the left hand side, automatically the right hand side will get updated. Let's ask, what is the capital of UK? Now you can see on the right hand side, it's getting loaded. It is London. That's it. Just by adding OpenAI API base, you are able to talk to any large language model which you download in text generation web UI. It doesn't matter whatever name you gave here, it'll automatically refer back to the API base. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.